Then Deva Che and Deva like Miro Kande Yorisana, Deva de la Truze Yori, Chog in Deva, Tamsik in Deva, Triv in Deva, Kumbu in Deva, True in Deva, Sadu, Nazi in De Sundo. Then the Choj in Deva Seatan, Tolen Deva Sea, Pejir Chibari, Tola Sudin Dirva. Also, me can go to Roma to get with a never within the year. Transic on the K to Yagibe, Tabdir Transic on K, Dolilla take the case here with you. Just to let the passage choice in the choice, I didn't do that. Choice, that's not Chola Malam village and Pedicurin Jamachis. Choice, the Ajaz Kiachi. The day is the choice in there, but I'm thinking there about the tribute or trade of Commodore. And then Ramzun Dilla. Dere Chonde Tansiki Deva Yor. Chonde Sia de Tangan de Dinjo Zangani, Yoni Zangani, Neboni, Nini, Chubudella, Choggin Deva. Choggin Deva said the Toge Hui Teleman Hanchi Chema Mache. Rang Toga Hui or the Teleman Hanchi Matayo. 在我们南军嘛，做旅几个，在我们军的七几个，在我们那里学，七几个在我们学呢，都是那么的多，永久白面那的学，永久在我们那里也就闲的做的，让个闲的学，但我一个这蛮听，我都搞得解决了，就是教育嘛是个，他出门搞就怕过呢，吹边的不是个，怕闲怕吹过来，这样吹下的，马来的。 吹下个不是真的吹不吹的人，他讲的因为让有一些突然的突有一些用一些的怕书，3年的出过了讲的吹白的嘛是，他想不出来大概讲过的，当吹白的把的现在钱呢呗，欧洲钱呗，社会现在钱呢，可是用差价讲的，对个讲很有的，但这种呢，超跟的把起的新出的。 초긴 데발을 미버시다 때제 요리 문제니 양 자기 용주요 자기 중앙에 있는니 양 주변 데버치데 신주요 나중에 너가디 배치 사기 군도 나지리 사나불은 같이 나불 라마불은 같이 마부 두가라 같이 거야 같이 강가를 왜서 주 거기 공부인데요 같이 하제제 하뇨뇨이나 看人家的为啥公布人家为啥做我前天那路看的通的个，全民同仁那路全民买那路同仁人的不拿些，看忙不有呢，为啥判人呢？每人家这个做不起了看谁的个，为啥个判人的个？但是我的呀，我公布呢，公布的不是，这都没见你瞧个人，我现在买完了新送的呢，公布的不是，之前那全部银色的。 他那边没写过也没读，当时给那边写过了，他也没做可能啊，做当时给那边的，当时给那边写的说的呢，土港行情上面的话，为啥子？谁先给推荐上街了，全部接了出的，哦，你那个些，刚一年开始可多，为啥跑出出的接的了？当时给那边写的，他看可能也没得，看的啦。 전다로 친구도 고고 말에 하데 산자게 인자 산스다게 파사제니 야 많이 맞지 봤던 자는 하 셔를 동샤 버려 저는 산스다게 노진 된 셔로제는 너고리 그런 노진 단내나에 산스다게 게도 유대케 제보요 게 회시 고수 수주메케 라르게 요래 회시 천전 모두 메케 요래 그나 히히 하하 세아르들라 주야 요 말이야 다 줘야 요캔들 장도다 니도니 하다 장도스도 카르코도 그 개고런서 벽에 조리자는거다 다 줘야 돼 장도지 장도 찍고 근데 이거 말이야 니도요 니도가 더다도 쏘쳐요 하고는 니도요 니도도 가서 신 가버려 아신다고는 좀마 장자당 장제베 제바나라 장하기 여유니게 장하게 니들 지 장자나를 용이 진짜 이제 벤티샤 용이요. 그래요. 장도는 되죠. 왜 간도 신의 수장도 did it. Tanga de la chance personal usually Tina Sida. Sanga de Omagara Guru Bena Bena Tarasa Tarasa in the one, Tizanga de la Luke Hayore. Conje, go down with Sanga Shiore. Yoji Conje will the Tasha Bekara Guru to Yoji did Sangache. Yoji Conje Mezawarai. Number whether I ever the Jama measure sub the by Mausa Jedma, combat the Jam was a Jani, Mezavari Pudangi Siachi, Taja Conje, Tamacho, remove no Gujra, Conje, was a Jaguar and hunter in Bush Tachagri. Then the chat in the Equayor. Dinjo Chiji the Coyor. Chiji to Bulanga and Doji Yunza, the Yor. Tandena Temu, Sanga Korachigo Doji, Tajaruchi, Mayu. Those but puppets were to chain, did not dare you. Margaret on took a told you, Maro. You come on. Karakarani, Chi, Kurun, Zurj, Menda, Ching, Tarasa, Tabrici, Choban didn't your age. Choba said in the Jobrici, Nietzsche. Chong, Rara, Pim, said Joya Yomari. Jordan. That Jude just in which is one comes.
Rumjitsi Sumusum.
Yojitanga de Kara, Kuru, Benda, Tarasa, Tapisha, Pisan Taruchi.
So you should look in the text.
Kara Kuru in Canada Chivani Chile. Chi Zia Shishuma Shukichere, Genchivari. Choba and you would the Jabberji Shisha.
And chobai means to move. And the next the ram from this shasha pem pep. So these these 8 syllables could not be translated. So dahanda means to burn, like to burn in the fire. Baza means to cook or to boil, like to boil in the water. And baja means to eat or eat.
Tadin Basaru direte, don't they ever review Mari? Tijasamuyo. Basaru dire, ender Malawa Lamini, ender Malawa Lambini, Gira Lambini, ender Basaru Sosace, Bacha, Basar Rudira Asabul, Basar Sudu Shari, Rudira Chari.
Vasa means grease. And Rudra means blood.
Basa Rudra. Takarisim Tida Rudra. Basar. Basa Rudra. Basa Rudra. The render says Jeff,
and
there's Surore, they was at the table, and Taradach Tewol Judo, tell the Masa Rudra and the Sadilla, Rudra and us Jumari.
And so then next one is the enda, and enda means intestines.
Me Jumachi, me charge, Shaj, Chata, Shada, me Jumachi.
So human sort of the grease coming from the human body, the grease, the blood, intestines.
enter smaloni enter sine degree cheyomare enter jumaje
Enter, yeah, enter or enter, no difference.
Malavasinu
Ladu.
Malavasinu Chimari
And Malava means the rosary.
Chimaji enter Malava Lambini is the Chima Chama Suri
Lambini means to hold that rosary.
Tangirana Girana Yabuti Giana Giana Sawa Karsindu Giana Sushi Siadirva
Girana twice means to hold.
Giana Sabda Patala Gadabu Zanga Sarampa Taranzaya Sere Tandi Tondaru Chigin the Jurukavuchiri the Su Singurichen Rimbaduji Savona Neva Landru Judan Sumbe Senzi Namto de Sumuskior Susia Sabda Patalam Gada Bunzanga Sia de Bunzan Siatma the Sagi de Savachimari. So Rimbaduna Yube Landrojo Landru Juji Mazda Landro Judan David Senzi Namto de Sumus Maram Semadam Zibanato de Sigoy Judan David Senzi Nato de Sumuskior Girana Siakibuti Sulo no Palo
Solo.
Kuraribe
Nari.
Kapalo Mariba
Lamarel.
Odeni Rigio Riri Lili Jige Nani Dire Riri Lili Jibuti Mare Te Gugu Sure Chetan De Eri Agu It Dir Chetan Gugu Madir Rendoma
Nando.
De Nirva Pasa Dire
Right.
Tel Madava Tofur Giana Sabta Patalam Gadam Zangam Sampa Tanza Yache Takarivaina
Akidaya.
Tanzaya Titabu Chig Delu to the Egan of Truth of Yususha Tanzaya Takarikusha
Akidaya.
Agada Tanzaya Siade Dixia Nimra Dixia Didi Tonse Shinoku Ditila Sak Yonju
No. So the end of the first the last the mantra Tadze means to make noise, like to make heavy sound, to frighten.
Agada Yibudi Ku Shibit.
And the Akira means to bring someone under one's power. And Shim actually could not be translated directly, but it stands for the method and wisdom. And also likewise the next syllable Juan also cannot be translated. But it stands for the unity of the emptiness and the compassion. Also likewise the cham also cannot be translated directly.
Chama
Also the hum do not have any direct translation. It means the method and wisdom.
He chiba yingdo san ine he de la sutobi ishitoba juwe de insun yore.
And him the it has a reference to the discriminate wisdom of the Buddha.
Huni ando.
Ladod hum
Hudi ishinga idanye, hudi ishinga isabenre.
And next to hum, it is the nature of the 5 wisdoms of the Buddha. It doesn't have any direct translation.
Kili ya tejuri yomare, changdyogi tejuri yomare de dewa chimbu, dewa ge tyoyin yinsumare.
So Kili also does not have a direct translation, but it stands for the great bliss.
Sili ya ka changdyo dewa rang mai imura de dewa dang tumba yirme ba yinsumare.
And Sili also, on the ultimate level, the meaning on the ultimate level is the unity of the emptiness and great bliss. And similar, likewise, Hili, also the meaning on ultimate level is the unity of the emptiness and great bliss. And Dili is the one's perfected mind or consciousness. So that was the rough explanation of the root mantra of Chakrasambhara. So in the mantra, so now coming to the next mantra, the root mantra of Vajravarahi. So this is clear, almost the beginning of the mantra, and Vajravarahi is the consort of Chakrasambhara. And so Purdange means the excellent, the excellent.
Hana barna. Hana sunu nu shu siagatari. So Hana means to hit, to the life. King Kenes the Jemba.
King means adorned with, like the ornament, or adorned with an ornament.
King Kenes Tugurchamas, Molitiatri.
And king means the hair being tied up in knots.
Dona said and Darwa said nire.
So dona means like trembling or like shaking one's body.
Beza hati hangud hajulu sajad.
Lamidul.
Tangud samidul. Satata midul. Menzer hajanre.
Hajanre.
Headi in the labari. Doji labe kumshi said in Zampena. Hadir Nabadza Somgola Saji, King head support. They have some men hadiri. Meza hadi, Meza Doji, Hadin Lavache. So
Vajra means the Vajra, and Hati means the hand. It refers to one's hand. Shogai
Kumshi Kambuche Shusia. Menza Karanga said Doji Karanga.
So but the Karanga is clear now. But the Karanga is clear.
Karanga Matu Juame. Puke Tagare. Meza Karanga. Kavala said the Tuvere.
So Kapala is Skalka.
Darin is within Zimbari.
Darini means Darini means to hold Katanga and Skalkamp.
Kavala Darini. Darini you are then Zemba member, Zemaimer, Zema Standi Yung Hai Sangre. Man Bishita Siadi Mani Chimbuche. Bishita Siadi Shana Su Siadi Mare. Chimbu Shana Su Siadi Mare.
And Ma means great, the big, and Vishuddha means to present the flesh or the meat as an offering.
Tan disendo manuka ando.
Masasan. Masasani.
Shua Mambishita. Ore Masa Sanirve. Masa Sani dire Chimbuche. Masa Sani Shazamuimbre.
Masasani means the flesh eater.
Dire Ma Sa Chimbuche. Chimbu Shazam Muishana Suimbre. Cheta Manukat Leson.
Malas.
Masa Sani.
Narel. Manukant.
Manukarve.
Narel.
Manuka, any?
Manukant.
Naradu.
Nando. This man.
Masa Sani. Manuka Andar Parpiti. Diana Rasira. Manukani Mirva.
Manuka means human beings. Human.
And there is Andani Jumashe.
And like before intestine.
And there Parapiti Parapiti said the Sireka Jume Sireka.
The Bharti means it's kind of ornament made of intestine.
Me Juma Sireka Ache. Takare. Narayindru.
Sanidana.
Manuka.
No, Sanidana.
Parapiti.
Sanidana. Sanidana. Rojaka. Magum. Sani dia nararwa, Sani dia Sire Kati Bari. Tan Nara Sira Naran Mire Yang Sirangori. So Nara is again human, and Sira means head, human head.
Me Juma Siraka Kati Bas Search. Tan Nara Sira Sidu me Ngori, Yang Nara Mire.
Nara Sira means human head.
Sirangoji. Mala Chumaji.
Mala is rosary.
Garantida Darakere.
And
Gram
Gram Theta means the neck. So wearing the rosary in the neck.
Daran Zembarwa.
Darani means the holder of that.
Me Munguchon Goran Zema. Sumba Nis de Neze Sumba Nidugon. Sumba de Neze, Nisumba de Gibber Neze.
So the Sumba is the
Sumba Nisubas,
Sumba ni Sumbarador.
Tujanga Sumba Tachivari. Sumba Nisubas, Sumbas de Neze, Nisubas de Gibber Neze. It
refers to the wrathful deity called Sumba Niraja.
Hana and
Hana also it means to beat or sort of to hit. That is Hana.
So to
the life. Prana means to the life.
Hana Parna Yugutoma de Chivari Solare. That's Savapashapana Mere Savapashapana. Savapashapana said Savan Tamjeri.
Sara means all.
Savapashapana Panam Divesida Deva Ingre Pashas Tamje Sinje Diva Tamje Sinje Taji Diva Tamje La News Seati Yadigimbre. Tamje Sinjen Diva Chen, Sinjen Diva Tamje Sigurta.
So Pasha Vanu means the sentient beings with great amount of unwholesome imprints.
Mahame Sasandagon.
Nadu.
Mahamana Sasijomare. The Naja Jalati, Hatu Mutu Tagarare, Remado, Masati, Teliona Mamsas the Shari. The Najalu Yor the Shari. Mahamasa Chimbu Shari. Mahachimuri, Masa Shari.
So Mahamasa means great meat, the great flesh.
Sendanan Jobaji, Chimbu Shajoma.
And Sandanan means to cut the flesh.
Kurda Murti, true lucid.
Korda Murti means the wrathful body.
Koda Chorva. Dandra Karalini is the Chivazi.
And Nakaralin means with a bad fangs.
Mahamundir is the Chajichimuri.
Mamudis and Mamudra.
Chimbucha,
great seal.
She Hiruka Sidu, Pe Hiruka, Pe Tratu.
The exalted blood drinker, Sheheruka.
Devasia Tratu Lai.
So Devasaya means the deities of the deities who are the blood drinkers.
She Hiruka
Grama.
Ani Gamasia do.
Grama Hi.
Gama Hike. Gama Hike. Hikindu.
Grama Hiki. Sasa.
Gama Hikisia, the name of Nadua. Choguzumusigi or Nadua.
Grama Hiki means the excellent queen or excellent consort.
Sahasa says the Tumdareva, says a Utumma Sigio.
Sasa means the one who is having thousand heads.
Mahambi Sututumshaki Chai.
Vabe means one having 1,000 arms.
Shata Sasa Nani is the Jatumshaki Shechamber. Shatan Jari.
Shata Sasan means the one who is having hundreds and thousands of charva, arms. No.
Oh yeah. Jatumshaki Shechamber.
Sorry, correction, one is having hundreds and thousands of faces.
Zolita Tinza Sesin, Zola Sambar Varva, Zolita Tinza Sesin, Barvis Jich.
Zolita is burning, and Tenza is the power or the dignity.
Zolita Tinza Se, and
Zola.
Zola Barvache.
Again, Zola is burning.
Zola
Mukesam. Mukesam. Muke is the face. Sam Gala Lochani.
Mukhi.
Sam Gala
Sangarve. Musi Sangalirve. Sangal Landu Midu.
Lochani.
Barve Nishema. Masir Chendema, Lozandu, Lozat Chenri. Masir Chendema, Barve Shema, Masir Chendema.
So Sangala is it refers to the color, orange color, and Locha is the eye, so having a sort of burning orange colored eye.
Then Meza Shuri Sunuwa.
Ladul.
Meza Shuri Re Sunuwa.
Ladul.
Doji Lui Chen.
So Vajrashwari means the one who is having the Vajra body.
Then Meza San is the Doji Denjema.
Lo.
Doji Denjema.
One who is having the Vajra seat. Vajrasani means the one who is having the Vajra seat.
Then Milta Zilta Sidi Tritan Rona Chur.
And Milta Zilta means that one who enjoys the smells or the perfumes and the tastes.
He Siadi Junani, Ji Sture.
And he means to generate or generate.
Hun la Tande, they were Juya Yo Maritonda, Jena Hun Chum Chum Sachure. 중다 중다 총스다 고 대동이라 예인자 메텐초 중보다 총배다 이거.
So hum here means the destruction of the negative the negative forces.
카카스도 서서죠.
And kaka means also to beat or to eat.
두루두루스도 녀르녀르죠. 요거.
And dur means sort of swift or fast.
무르무르스도 릴죠.
Murmur means to enjoy or to enjoy.
안데테세 니스메바세.
Andate means non-dual.
마유근스도 침무 내조마체.
So Mahayogini.
유근스도 내조마로.
So Mahayogini is Mahayogini. It's clear.
파테타 세아데네 마하제니다 마카셰지 정도 메버다. 파테타 간사우쇼.
Siddhi.
데 라베 로마스기오리. 링한데 라베 로베링아 이스.
Patita Siddhi means it does not have a direct literal translation.
파테타 세데 마레. 어디 세데 로마르와.
So here it means the meaning on ultimate level means that something which is being achieved just by reading, reciting.
파테타 세데 스타든 거랑거르베.
Tredam.
Tridam. 어디 디제들 줘야 요 말이. 줘야 요 말이 초주 레루 제거래.
So Tredam, these then do not have literal translations, but these refer to the 10 wrathful deities.
베미세노.
Nado.
베미스드 데로 베라와얀 지제라와 베미스드 지 마죠.
So the Bhima means the terrifier, the most terrific one.
베미 하사르베. 지마 제마 파무스그레.
The one that
하사 베진도와 베라 파우르와 베리 파무레. 하사니 제마레. 지마 제마 파무.
That is.
하하 히히 홍홍 조심해제. 들을자 쓰진 지대송래. 베나샤니스야도 두 메버제마스르.
The Vinashani means that one who destroys the poisons.
샤다사사 꾸지스드 자동기 지회세. 자동차 지와.
And Shadasasa Koti means the 100,000 and million.
다당가다 바리와르스데 디신시비 코치고와세.
Tathagata means that one who is surrounded by the great multitude of Tathagatas.
세하르베 카스 싱기소 제죠.
And Simha Rupeka means the one who has the form of a lion.
간자르베 아스 랑부소 제죠.
Gajarupa means that one who has the in the form of an elephant.
데르르자 가르선도치 요리야.
Udura
우다리르베.
Udura
우다리.
Samuda me kalis.
데르르자 우다르샤 니므라 제데송 데르르자 제데송지 도와체이 버레. 두고. 제데송지 도와체.
Teloja means the 3 worlds, and the Udra, it refers to the valley, to the valley which is like the size of 3 great worlds.
garsa hun phesya dela me garsa tangde jioremado hun phela da toru chewi munda jasukera chema yana yune kera chima sgyore sumare.
So grasa humpe means that one who has all the great qualities, like using them like the belt. So Vira means the brave one, and Deti means non-dual. Mahapashu
Mohani
Yogeshwari
Mahapashu Mohani Siadi Nimanano Chimo Onchu Mobarzema Sibre Onchu Mobarzema Ta Yogeshwari Tom Sudi Yogin Najumari Shurini Onjure 동是缺的，那就往出，那就没往出缺了就是。这个呢，萨罗瓦是的卡鲁玛他们些。
Dakinsa means all the Dakinis.
Lokani Bandani是的，今天进我马是。
Lokana Bandhan means the one who binds the whole world.
Sandi Pandi ya Karini是的讲，对了，Sandi ya Pandi ya Pakarini是ya pas了的，ya pas ya ma rijo嘛，ya过的。Sandi Pandi yas Sandi Pandi ya Pakarini是呀的，我是一个人的同志，这是就呀的。Sandi Pandi yas Karini Karasya Chabas gre. Sandi Pandi yas bi Demba Rabje Masigure Sumare. Demba Rabje Ma.
Sandhya Patya means the one who makes the truth increase.
Dirva Titola Hun ni de Chung la Jajaman Demba Rabje Ma Chung Je. Buddha Tarasan Buddha Jumburava Tarasan Trabarchevarova Jumbu Traban Zema.
And Buddha means the spirits, and it doesn't means that one who frightens the spirits.
Mahabira Siddhi Chimbu Pau.
Mahabira means the great brave one.
Paramasidas Chodrumas.
Paramasiddha means the one who has achieved the excellent goals, the aims.
Yogeshwari Pes the Nanju Wachuma.
And the yogi, the being with great powers.
Ta hun pe so asa hun da karit kabajuju totore petas. So ani jitsu siadere lebaji lebe pe su siadere.
So this swaha at the end means sort of establishing, to establish all the goodness.
Ta jangdung igmari de ha khoran de de ta lame sonju no ji abujin de shen
So one should try to recite as correctly as possible these mantras of Chakrasambhana. And the next one with the 7 syllables is the close essence mantra of Chakrasambhana.
Mire Sabudan Dagini Sudu, Sava Tamjeje, Buddha Sanjeje, Dagi Kanumache, Kajumen Hajan Sabudan Dagini, Siangoli, Sanje Tamjeji Kanumache, Sanje Tamjeji Kanumache.
The reckoning of all the Buddhas.
Savan Tamje, Buddha Sanje, Dagini Kanumache.
None is.
Sabudan Dagini. Menzer Wanan is Menzer Dojije.
And so Benza is Vajra. So Vajra.
Varnan is Rangama.
Varnani means the one, the Vajra which is was most praised, most complimented.
The Jeje the Kori, Doji Jeje Masaju.
And also it could mean the Vajra that who recites or who speaks.
Ta digola mezamritani siadia dreamuna, Nanjume ha, Hibu Nini, dream, Tia Zaju, Murray. Doji number Hanze Mas Zugure.
And
Taji Kanumas Chugure. Doji Rama Masudu or Longosun Dujire. Number Hanze Muku Dujire.
So the
number Hanze Masudu Dujala Nawar Zek the Korewa. Sanje Gudin Duje Nawarwa, Kuri. Doji rāngā mā sā jōjē mā lā kuwa yī na anā tāmbē chū tuyān sōng jōbar chēpa tē sāngcē kū sōng rē
And
mā sā dā khāndu nākhā lā rō ngā yī zā tōmbā nye jī nākhā lā tō tōpa mē bā rō yī zā chū gu rē tā kō ngā sō shē mū kuwa chē shē lōng mē tō kō ngā sō dā pā wū nye jī mā tē kārā kārā kūru kūru sā gu shā tāng chā gu rē kārā kūru sā tsā ngā tē pā gu shā tāng nī shī tsā jī pā wū nī shī tsā jī ngā rē
And
nī shī tsā jī sū tsā ngā rē tsā tō kārā pā jū shā gu rē tā rī bā nī tā